Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. I have my scissors and today I am going to be unboxing everything that I got during the Sephora sale. I'm pretty sure their Sephora sale is still happening for another 4 days. So I'm going to try to get this video uploaded quickly for you guys. I'm not going to even edit it. Like, what is there to edit? Like, I'm super transparent with you guys. I'm just going to post this as soon as possible. But I got 3 boxes here and I got my scissors. I'm not crazy. Like, these 2 boxes right here are like just 1 or 2 things. But if you don't know, I'm obsessed with the Sephora sale. Let me take this scrunchie off. I'm obsessed with the Sephora sale. Like, you will literally only catch me at Sephora during the sale because 20% off. Okay, so the first thing that I got was the Rare Beauty Liquid Blush in Hope. I already had this in the color Joy, but I felt like Hope was what I wanted to like achieve a more pinkier color, not such a orangey color that I feel like Joy gives me. So I'm really excited about this. Oh, that reminds me. So I actually bought this one in person in sale. So I got the Giorgio Armani Liquid Eye Tint in the color Wood. I was hoping to get the color Leather, but the lady said that this is a color Leather. It's just either renamed or something, but it's literally gonna give you like a little, like a smoky eye brownish color, and it like blends so nicely, and you can put it on your eyelids. I don't have it in my eyelids right now, but I'm super excited about this, and I bought this one in person. So if you can't find Leather online because it's sold out, maybe you can go into your local Sephora and find it in the color Wood. It's apparently the same one. Okay. Oh my god. Okay, so this is the next box that I got. This one is juicier, so I'm pretty sure there's more things in here. And I got a bunch of things this time. I got like makeup, supplements, hair stuff. I love buying my hair stuff during this time. Yes, so this is the SK, is it SK12 or SK2? I finally bought this. My best friend Jessica has been literally telling us to buy this like 6 years ago. Okay, and she has the most baby-like skin that I was like, you know what? I'm just gonna do it. I'm going to do it. And I'm really excited. I got this little set. It comes with like a little, it comes with 2 other things that I want to try anyway. So that's what I love about Sephora, is that they have these little sets during the sale. The next thing I got is this Moon Juice Magnesium. My best friend Kiana, also, I just thought it laughs because I keep saying my best friends. Anyway, so like, but these truly are my best friends. So Kiana has recommended this to me to, basically it's like a magnesium powder to, it's a magnesium citrate. Okay, so magnesium citrate powder that you can take at night, and it really helps with relaxation and sleep, and who doesn't want better sleep? So I'm really excited about that, and apparently magnesium has so many benefits for you, so I figured why not try it. And then I stocked up on my Rare Beauty mascara, because honestly this mascara, this is probably my 6th mascara. I absolutely love this mascara. I think there's nothing like it, and I've actually bought quite few different ones over the year, and then I just keep going back to those. Okay, so this is the big chunky box. This is the big heavy hitter. I hope I get everything on here. I think everything would be on here. Okay, cool. Wow, so filled. They like fill it to the rim. Okay, so yep, I paid for this. It's not sponsored. I mean, obviously it's not sponsored. I have like 2 followers. Okay, so I'm actually really happy that I got this little like a sample, because I've been actually wanting to get new foundation, and then it has like the Giorgio Armani foundation like sample thing, so I'm excited about that. And then this Tower 28, which I love Tower 28's like SOS spray, but I did not need to refill it quite yet. Okay, so the first thing I got was I stocked up on probably the most expensive hair mask. I'm pretty sure this hair mask is like $70, I don't remember, but it's obviously a great time to get it during the sale. I literally have only bought it when it's during the sale, but this hair mask is probably the best in the market. It just keeps your hair so shiny and beautiful. Like, any friend that I've gotten to try this, they literally can't say anything like horrible about it other than that it's expensive, but that they all agree that it's like the best. But like, because it's expensive, like, they like don't like that part, obviously. But if you want something that works, it's that. Okay, so the next thing I got was this Gym Face Gua Sha. It's like titanium or whatever. My Gua Sha like fell on the floor and shattered, like the jade one that I got at Sephora a few years ago. Like, it shattered and broke, which led me to want to buy this one because like there's no way the titanium would break. So I got that. I obviously stocked up on my K18 leave-in molecular hair mask. I have become a big fan. I think the first time that I tried it a couple times, I did not like it, and I was going back and forth on whether I wanted to return it. I like hated it, but I like learned how to use it, and now I'm like, oh my god, this thing is amazing. So I'm a K18 girl over Olaplex right now. For the moment, maybe I'll go back and forth. The next hair mask that I caught was the Amika The Cure. I'm not gonna lie, I just got like, I saw a bunch of reviews, a bunch of TikToks, a bunch of like everything, and everyone kept saying that this is great for really damaged dry hair, so it better cure my ends. Okay, so the next thing that I got was the Ole Hendrickson Banana Bright Eye Cream. I personally think that this is the best eye cream out there in the market, and I got two. Not because I'm crazy, but one of them is actually my boyfriend's. I like to stock up on the things that he likes as well. We both love this product. It's honestly amazing. This is probably my 6th or 7th like eye cream of this because I like repurchased it so many times. Okay, so the next thing is my sunscreen from Biossance. It's a Squalane Zinc Sheer Mineral Sunscreen. If you're not new to this channel, you know that I've bought this like 500 bajillion times. Like, it's my favorite sunscreen. It's just so hydrating and yummy, and that squalane and the fact that it's like 100% mineral and it's zinc, and it's just like literally the most beautiful sunscreen. Okay, I stocked up on my Dior Addict like lip oil gloss, and I always buy Rosewood. This is my 3rd one of these. I'm actually really sad because I think I lost my last one. That's why I had to quickly replenish this one, and I was bummed out because I saw that they have increased the price on this. Like, it used to be like 30 bucks and now it's like, what, 50? That's insane. The next thing I got was Very Victoria in Charlotte Tilbury, just like a big size. I had a mini of Very Victoria, like the mini lipsticks, and I use the hell out of that. So I finally got the big size for myself. Fun fact, this is Meghan Markle's favorite lip color. I don't know if it's true, but that's what I read online. Okay, so this is the, what is this? I totally forgot. Oh, this is the Rare Beauty lip liner in the color Fun. So I'm really excited to see how this looks. I'm actually just gonna, oh, it's so pretty. I saw like videos that it like, this thing like trolls up, which I'm so sick and tired of like sharpening my liquid my lip liner. So it's beautiful. It looks so similar to my whatever walnut color from Makeup Forever. So this might be better because of like that twirl thing. Okay, cool. So I'm really excited about this. It's gonna be my new favorite thing. Then I got the liquid liner in Kate. Is this Kate? What is Kate? Okay. So the next thing I got was the Kate Von D liquid eyeliner in the color brown. Yeah, Mad Max Brown. I don't know. I absolutely like, sometimes I like doing a brown eyeliner on like daytime things. I'm not like a big fan of like really heavy makeup during the day. Okay, so the next thing I got the Charlotte Tilbury Pillow Talk little eyeshadow palette. I'm really excited about this. Love that. Then I got the Makeup Forever liquid eyeliner. I'm really excited about this. I keep hearing like great things. My brother's girlfriend said that there's like, I think she said there's a brush in it. I don't know what, but she said it was amazing, and I literally just purchased it, and there's no brush. Oh, okay. But okay, so this is the eyeliner that I've been told is amazing, and I'm really excited to use this. Hopefully I'm able to, because I can't, I'm literally old. I'm an old lady and I still don't know how to put on liquid eyeliner. Okay, so there's that. Okay, so the next thing I got was the Dermalogica Vitamin C Serum. This is not for me. This is for my boyfriend. He likes that vitamin C serum. I personally have been sticking to the SkinCeuticals one. I don't know. I'm a big fan. I know it's expensive though. Okay, so I got this set. This like with points, like 250 points. I got this Pureology set, which I'm really excited about because I'm traveling to New Jersey for a week soon, and I'm gonna be able to travel with that. Okay, so the next thing I got was this Brow Micro Filling Pen by Benefit. I'm really excited about this because I saw that it had like 3 lines on there, so it like will look like more like natural hairs, and I'm really excited about that. So I'm gonna definitely give it a try, and I got medium brown. I don't know if I might need a darker shade, but then I got this Deep Melon Bright Fix Eye Brightener by Fenty. I saw a TikTok about this and I was like, I need to put that on my eyes. I want to try this. So I'm really excited to see if this works. So I literally got that. Okay, so lastly, I got these gift sets by Pureology. Literally go run to Sephora.com and purchase these. Add them to your cart because they're a steal. So I got both of them. Hear me out. So I got the both, like the strengthening cure, the blue one, and the traditional like purple one. I got this one because the strengthening cure, it said it's supposed to be really good for really damaged hair. So I'm gonna try that out. Then it came with this, which is their like heat protectant leave-in spray. I was already in need of a new heat protectant spray, so this like worked out in my favor. So I got that set, and then I got another one because I've been wanting to try the Hydrate one as well. I think I tried this years ago and I loved it. I don't know why I didn't like keep purchasing it. So I got this, and then this little heat protectant spray, I'm just gonna give it to my boyfriend so that when I'm over or he blow dries his hair as well, like he should also use this as well. So it just like worked out perfectly. Alright guys, so that is all that I got during the Sephora sale. Let me know if you guys have any questions. Comment down below. I read all of them, and I love you guys. Take care. Mwah.